Okay.
How we planned our marriage. Actually, how this big day happened.
So the initial thing was like we met over Kerala matrimony and all. There somehow we shared our numbers with each other and we started talking for a while. And we understood that okay, we have something that we can.
One second, ചേട്ടാ. Pause ചെയ്തേ. ചേട്ടാ ആക്ച്വലി പറഞ്ഞ ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു കോളേജിൽ പഠിച്ചതാ. പക്ഷെ അവിടെ വെച്ച് ലവ് ചെയ്യാനൊന്നും പറ്റിയില്ല. അവിടെ വെച്ച് ഞങ്ങൾ സത്യമായിട്ട് പ്രേമിച്ചില്ല. പിന്നെ ഒരു സുപ്രഭാതത്തില് on fine day on January we got this thought about marriage. He talked to his home. Then we took it forward. Our parents agreed. This is Sujit's dream come true marriage. Yeah, we wanted to have a Kerala wedding in this time.
So we had few difficulties in language and all. My mom's main worry was how to communicate. She, with her Hindi and all, no one can understand. That much clarity she will be having in Hindi.
And more than like our friends are so excited, we gave them a big shock even though we are in same college, but they also couldn't believe. So that was also fun when we are inviting them for the marriage. Everybody was shocked. All were so excited to attend this marriage. And what more? Excitement.
അത്രയുള്ളൂ?
ഇതാണ് കഥ. Pavam guy. That's it.